this video we will see one very important interview questions what is the difference between short and sorted method or function in the Python. So let's start here. So sort is a kind of function or method. So that is when we are using sort functions, so then it does not return anything. So what it mean that basically it within given the list and we are using sort method, then it within the given list it modify or it sort the list given the list. So that's why it is called as modifying the original list in the place. So because it doesn't create any extra space or it doesn't create any extra list, so that's why it's called original list in the place, right? And the second point that sort function or sort method can work with only list kind of the data. Next point is that sort has an average time complexity of big O of L log n. And next point that the sort functions has a space complexity of big O of 1. So why big O of 1? So because suppose you have the list 104 3 2 1. So within the list it automatically sort or modify the element. It doesn't create any other variables that it does not create any extra list. So that's why it called have space complexity of big O of 1, right? So let's understand the first sort. So I have LST list kind of data, and if I use LST dot sort print LST. So if you see that your data has been sorted 1 2 3 4 and 400, right? And suppose we have the kind of tuple of data 34 2 and 5 5 6 7 8, and if you are try to sort this kind of tuple data, then you will get error. So let's see here. Tuple data dot sort print tuple data. So you see the tuple object had no attribute sort. So because if you are using sort method, then it can only work with a list kind of data. You can't use tuples or dictionary or iterable object, right? And let's and go for like sorted method. So sorted method return a new sorted list. So means what? Suppose if we have a kind of list, this list, it create a extra list, then we sort it. So that's why it return a new sorted list. And sorted function can be used with iterable kind of object like list, tuples, and dictionary. And the shorter method also the same time of complexity as a shortest, we go of a log n, and shorted had space complexity of we go of n. So why we go of n? So because let me go here for. So I have created one variable. In this variable, we have the some value, right? And after that, when we will use sorted method, then it create a copy of this data and then sort it. So that's why it's hold a big O of n length. And suppose let me output is equal to sorted and pass that variables. Let's one print output. Your data has been now sorted. So first it pass the variable, now it create list and then sort it, and we are getting the output. Okay, so as I told that we can also use kind of tuples data or dictionary data for sorted function. So let's see result is equal to my dictionary dot sorted sorted my dictionary dot items. Now we have to convert it to dictionary print result. So what is happening here? So first we have used sorted function. In the sorted function, we are passing the my dictionary, this dictionary. On the dictionary, we are accessing the items. So items will basically uh, sort the element based on the key. So here the key is B, A, and C. So the output will come like A1, B2, C3. So here the output is coming. So let's see one kind of tuples data. So here I have created one kind of tuple data, right? To copy it and tuple data and give this result, storing the result output. Result is equal to sorted tuple data print result. So you saw that after using the sorted method based on the like tuple data types, your result has been sorted. So this is as earlier, while you are using sort method for kind of tuple data types, it was giving the error. So like these are the major differences. You can try to implement more and more. And so that's all for this video. And if this video really helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel for the more upcoming video. Thank you so much. Bye.